How to get Amazon Prime membership. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can get Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get Amazon Prime membership, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop the direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, all you have to do is make sure that you're signed into the account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can also choose to create one right away, or you will be asked to create one when you tap the start your free trial button, as you'd be able to find it. Once you tap on this option over here that says start your free trial, you'll be able to see this type of interface where you'll be able to basically start your free trial and you'll see all the Amazon Prime benefits. Once you've seen all this, you can just scroll down, select a payment method such as a credit or debit card, or even your Venmo account. So just select your credit or debit card over here, which in this case I'm sure assuming that you will enter those, and then you can enter your card details, the expiration date, the security code, as well as the name on card, and then tap on add and continue, and then you would have successfully bought your Amazon Prime membership. This way you can get Amazon Prime membership. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.